So, good morning, guys, on the Bio Learning Point, and this is Priya Misra. So, this video is related to CSIR CCMB PhD entrance test syllabus. So, how I clear this examination, CCMB entrance test, and the interview. So, I will discuss about some important points regarding the syllabus and how to prepare about this examination. So, guys, admit card has been released for the joint CCMB Hyderabad, and your exam I think scheduled on the 6th of November, if I am not wrong. So what will be the question pattern, and how should you start your preparation for the CCMB, and which minimum requirements will require for this examination. So first of all, the exam duration will be 2 hours. When I appeared in this examination, so duration was 120 minutes for the examination. So I don't have the admit card of this year, so I can't say, because the things are not given on website regarding examination, because it is confidential, which they share your admit card link to your email address, and there the details are mentioned about the examination. So the syllabus of examination is the examination has 75 questions, and you are required to attempt them all. There are no options to skip the 2 questions. Okay, so questions belongs to aptitude, logical reasoning, biological science, and physical science, chemical science, and mathematical science. So there are huge varieties of questions you can see here, like they are asking questions from the aptitude also, logical reasoning also, and biological sciences which you are from, and after that physical science, chemical science, and mathematical science. Why I am repeating? It is just because you need to know about the things clearly. So in 75 questions there are 3 sections. Okay, in examination, section A, section B, and section C will be there when you give the examination. And in section A, the question is from the aptitude and the logical reasoning. Okay, so the questions level is very basics, not much tough, so you don't need to prepare separately for the section A, like how to prepare for the logical reasoning and aptitude. So if you have cleared the CSIR examination, and during your examination you must had studies lots of like aptitude things and the reasoning things. So basic things they generally ask, and you can answer the basic questions like some mathematical reasoning, like they are asking ki these things are speed distance, very basic questions ki like 2 trains are moving in this direction, so what will be the time taken by this person when, matlab these types of questions they generally ask. So level of questions is very basic in the section A, and they are in a reasoning, sitting arrangement, puzzle, that type of questions they ask. And the questions level of puzzle and reasoning is very basic. I am confirming, just because I gave the CCMB examination 2 times and I able to clear both times, just because I wanted to know about the things, and I appeared so many interviews just for the experience and all. It is not for the clearing the examination. My things is, I am from the from very a village, and the personality, how to develop your personality by giving so many interview and experience, how to how to speak in front of interviewers, and how to give the examination. So I love the tests, that's why I gave 2 times. Okay, so when I talk about the section B, and it is from your subject like biological science, and in biological science they ask part B type questions. There are different varieties of questions they ask. If you think the institute is for the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, so they will ask only questions from the cellular and molecular biology. So this is not true. they ask questions from the various topics and various things, like they will ask questions of the name of the organism, like bacteria, viruses, and that type of questions they generally ask. So they only try to check your basic knowledge. They will check your analytical knowledge in interview. Their interview level is tough. When you will appear in interview, so you then you will able to know the level of interview. So this is the another thing. And after that, in biological sciences you don't need to prepare separately, because you don't know the concise syllabus that is not released by the Ccmb Hyderabad. And if you have ever appeared for the ICMR JRF examination, so exact the section B questions from the ICMR JRF they ask in the section B in the Ccmb Hyderabad, the pattern is exactly same, because there are no any syllabus for the ICMR JRF and no syllabus for the Ccmb Hyderabad. Okay. And when we talk about the section C, that is they ask question in section C from the physical science, chemical science, and mathematical sciences. Okay. And the level of question is they ask question from the 11th 12th physics, 11th 12th chemistry. So you should know some basics formula of physics, like fluid mechanics and kinematics and projectile motions. They ask question from that topic. And from chemistry they ask question from what's to say, equilibrium. Okay, chemical equilibrium, physical equilibrium, and from the I can say from the periodic table and chemical bonding. They ask question from that topic. So I think you are relating the thing. And there are four options answer are provided for each questions, and you are required to select the single most suitable answer from among four options. Okay, so each correct answers carries 1 marks, and wrong answer will have negative marks. So the 1/4 marks will be deducted for the wrong answer. So these things happen in the CSIR examination, so the negative mark pattern is the same. So if you have any questions or doubt regarding this thing, so you can ask me. I can't able to explain, I can't explain the syllabus because there are no any syllabus. So I am giving you the basic idea, so how you should start preparation in a least time, that is in 15 to 16 days. You should revise the some of formulas of like the physics and chemistry of the 11th 12th, and you will get some of the YouTube's video regarding some basics formula. So I have mentioned the syllabus, like you should focus about, like in physics, in chemistry, and I don't think you need to prepare about section A, because they generally ask basic questions, and in the biological science they ask basic questions. So you should have to focus on the part C, I think, because we all forget the things in when I was in 12th class, and there are a lot of times to pass the examination. So I hope you are getting. So don't go for languages. Don't judge me on the basis of my language. I'm just explaining these things because some of the South Indian people are asking how to prepare these things. So they don't able to know the Hindi. That's why I'm trying to explain these things in English. I don't know how much I able to deliver my content to you, but I wanted to give you the exact things, what is the exact they ask in the examination. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and stay connected with Wire Learning Point for further things, and I will update you regarding the interview, and which type of questions they ask in interview, and how how should you prepare well for the interview. Thank you guys.